Hey friends. All right, we're going to look at rhymes today. We're going to talk about rhymes. All right, so let's look. Rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end. Let me move Miss Hendry off of that picture. All right, so here are some examples. We have a picture of a bat. So some words that rhyme with bat are cat, hat, because we hear the at sound. Listen to this. B, at, k, at. At. They all have the at sound. Bat, cat, hat. Good. Let's look at some more examples. All right. Bug, rug, hug. Ug, ug, ug. They all have the ug sound at the end. Bug, rug, hug. All right. Let's look at some more. Dog, frog, log. Og, fur, og, og. They all have the og sound at the end. So dog, frog, and log are rhyming words. Good. Let's look at this little poem. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle. So diddle and fiddle are rhyming words. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport. The dish ran away with the spoon. Moon and spoon.